Let's now solve a simple modulus equation. X minus 5 mod is equals to 35. This clearly says that we are looking for a real number x whose distance from the real number 5 is fundamentally 35. So what all we can think of is, we can think of positioning our x exactly 35 unit ahead of the real number 5. So my position for the real number x can be somewhere here, which is nothing but 35 plus 5. So we get the value of x as 35 plus 5 is 40. This is one possible value. Is this the only value of x we can have? No. We can have another possible value of x by positioning our x in the backward direction of 5. And if it is so, we are going to get 5 minus 35, and so the value is minus 30. So we got two values of x. X is equals to minus 30 and x can be equals to 40, and these are our answer. Let's quickly solve one more problem. We are looking for x minus, let's say 3, and mod of it is greater than 2. Now we need to solve an inequality, right? So we have to find the value of x that satisfies the inequation x minus 3 mod is greater than 2. Let's look at the question in detail. The question says that the distance of the real number x from the real number 3 is always more than 2 units. So let's say my 3 is sitting here on the number line. Then I can quickly measure 2 unit distance, 1 unit and 2 unit. And this can be the possible value of x. Not exactly, but my x can be the values greater than this possible position. Similarly, my x can occupy the lesser position 2 unit backward to the real number 3. If it is so, this is basically 3 minus 2. However, this is 3 plus 2. And so my x is always smaller than 1, or x is always greater than 5. Using the interval method, we used to write it as x belongs to minus infinity to 1 union 5 to infinity. Isn't very easy? Let me solve one more problem. 2x minus 1 mod is less than 5. Now, on the number line, we don't have x. In fact, we have the real number 1, and the question says that what is the solution of this inequality? Okay, so there is a real number 1 and my 2x is located in such a way that distance of 2x from 1 is always less than 5 unit. So let's go 5 unit ahead of it, and if it is so, 1 plus 5 is 6, and 5 unit in the backward direction, it is 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. Okay, so my 2x should be in between these two locations. Okay, so my 2x is going to be in between these two locations. Fine. So this is the interval in which my 2x can lie. So I can clearly say that 2x belongs to minus 4 comma 6, and if I look for the value of x, it is x belongs to minus 2 comma 3, and this is going to be my answer. Hope it clears how exactly we use modulus as a distance and how quickly we can solve the modulus equations. In the next videos, we will be looking at little more difficult aspects of the modulus.